In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Shopify with Squarespace. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to seamlessly link your Shopify products to your Squarespace website, making online sales a breeze. Let's dive into it. First, we'll start on Shopify, which is a fantastic platform for creating an online store due to its robust sales tools. To connect it with Squarespace, you need to add the Buy Button sales channel. This nifty feature lets you sell products on various websites apart from Shopify itself. Locate the Sales Channels section in your Shopify dashboard and click on the plus icon to add a channel. From the list, select Buy Button. Adding it will expand your ability to generate product links and display them outside your main store, like on your Squarespace site. Next, it's time to create a Buy Button. Head over to the Buy Button sales channel you just added. You'll find an option to either create a product or collection buy button. A product buy button links to a single item, while a collection buy button can display multiple products, ideal for showing a wide range. Select the one that fits your needs and proceed by picking the specific product or collection you want to feature on your Squarespace site. Once you've selected your item, customize the buy button's appearance. Shopify provides flexibility here. You can adjust the layout to suit your design preferences and ensure it matches your Squarespace site's aesthetics. Change the colors, switch up the fonts, and decide how you'd like the buttons to behave to enhance user experience and maintain consistency across both platforms. It's all about making the integration as seamless and visually appealing as possible. After customizing, generate the embed code for your buy button. Simply click on Generate Code and you'll see the HTML snippet appear. Copy this code because you'll need it when you switch over to Squarespace. Now let's move over to your Squarespace site. Squarespace is known for its beautiful design templates, and integrating Shopify will help bring your e-commerce capabilities to the forefront. The first thing you need to make sure of is that you're on at least the business plan. This plan level is crucial because it allows the use of custom code blocks, which is how we'll embed your Shopify product. Navigate to the page where you'd like this buy button to appear and enter the editing mode. Here, add a new block and select Code from the list of available options. Paste the Shopify embed code you copied earlier into this block. This action will insert your product, beautifully displaying it with the posh aesthetic Squarespace is known for. Once you've done that, save your changes. The Buy button should now be live on your Squarespace site, integrating seamlessly with your content and ready for your visitors to interact with. With these steps complete, you've successfully brought together the best of Shopify's e-commerce prowess with the elegant design features of Squarespace. Happy selling!